Supliful Dropshipping Tutorial. In this video, we're going to be talking about an amazing dropshipping provider out there, and it's called Supliful, and we're going to be going through all of the technicalities and working ethics. So, to start things off, we're going to come over to supliful.com. Now, once you're in supliful.com, you can see it says start your own private label business without having any hassle. All right. Give your followers a product that they'll want to order again and again. It's risk-free, quick, and simple with on-demand fulfillment, no upfront fees, and most fees are technically the minimum. So it's pretty incredible, and you can actually see how you can make money. So someone buys from you for $30, their production fee is $12, so your profit is $18. So, if you have, let's say, 3,000 followers, you can make around $128 a month for what? Just sending out other products to other people. Pretty incredible, right? Now, to start things off with this, what you're going to do is you're going to click on sign up. Now, once we click on sign up, it takes us to the registration center. And once we get into the registration center, we are going to go ahead and add all the necessary details that it asks us. So it asks for our full name. So I'm going to go ahead and add that. And once you've added your full name, do know that the email can be anything. It doesn't necessarily have to be a Gmail. In my case, I'm going to be using a temp mail. Obviously, you don't necessarily have to go with that. It just could be anything that you use. Once we have gone through with all of that, we're going to add our password. And once we add our password, it says what describes you best. I'm going to go ahead with creator influencer and click on register. Now, once the onboarding is done, you will come to this page where it says, welcome, John Leahy. Pick a product you want to customize. So it gets me straight into the product search where we can go ahead and scour through the tons and tons of different varieties that it gives me. And I can actually work with this in great detail. So first of all, in Supliful, as you can see, we have all these supplementary products that we can actually dropship. But you can also filter them out. You can go into category, types, audience, purpose, dietary and lifestyle, whatever you want. So here are the different catalogs. So let's say I'm going to choose this. I'm going to choose the anti-aging moisturizer for sensitive skin. I'm going to open this up. Now, once we do this, let's say we want to dropship this. We're going to click on customize and sell. Now, once you click on customize and sell, it starts loading you in to the proper My Products section. And over here, what you can do is you can make this product your very own and sell it to the other people. So for that, what you're going to do is you're going to customize the label. All right. So to customize the label, you can change its name. You can change its price. You can change the description. Then it says pick your tool below to customize the label template. You can use Canvas Editor, Adobe Illustrator, or a proper done for you design. So done for you design is Supliful's very own add-on designer. And it's definitely recommended because Supliful had this made specifically for itself. Now, it has one-time payments, so $199, $949, $1990, so you can go with this. But if you want to go with a free plan, you can just go with the Canva editor. So what Canva does is it opens the design up over from here, okay? It opens it directly in its repertoire. I'm going to click on Use Template for a new design. And once you do that, it takes us to the main designing bit. Now, the fun part about Canva is that you can edit to its full extent. Like, there's no breadcrumbs that you leave in Canva. So you can add all your designs in this section. You can add your very own design over here. So your design could be anything. Like, let's say I want to add my very own logo over here. I want to add some type of look over here. All right, so you can choose it from elements, or you can upload your very own media as well. So let's say if I have a logo or some type of look that I want to add in this section, I can do that. So let's say I have some type of external PNG that I think will look good if I add it in this green box section. All right, because the whole point is to make sure that the product you add looks good, looks slick, and it just has a general good vibe. All right, so what I am going to be doing is I'm just going to choose the random PNG that we have. All right, so let's say I'm going to add this over here. I'm going to choose this, add this right here. And just like this, you can add your designs. And once you're done with it, you're going to click on share. You're going to click on download, and you're going to save it as a PNG file. So I'm going to click on download over here and wait for it to do. Then it says upload label PDF. So basically it needs to be either a PNG or print quality PDF. Now, print quality PDF is much more preferred. So if you want a print quality PDF, simply click on share, click on download, go to PNG, and you're going to go to PDF print, and I'm going to click on download. All right. So once we have the PDF print quality ready to set over here, you're going to make sure to check the colors and bleeding. You're going to place your proper business name and legal address on your label. So once we have this over here, I'm going to upload it up, and it starts going ahead and validating things. It makes sure that it is the proper file format that it wants. So once this is done, it starts regenerating the product mockup, and obviously it goes to its full extent with its features to make sure that your product looks the best that it needs to be. So once the regenerating is done, you're simply going to go to the start selling section where you can start selling it immediately in the easiest way. So we can see that the product is now updated and uploaded. So we're going to click on start selling. Now, before selling, we're going to want to make sure, obviously, upload label print PDF file that we've just done. You need to set up your store as well. So you're going to connect a Shopify store by installing the Supliful app on your Shopify. Now, I already have a Shopify account, but if you don't, you're going to want to create it. So once we do this, as you can see, I'm redirected to my Shopify app store where it's going to ask me to download Supliful app onto my Shopify, which I'm going to do. It's a pretty quick step process, doesn't take a lot of time, so I'm simply going to let it go over here. And once it's done loading, you're pretty much, set to go. And it's generally pretty fun to have this kind of capability for yourself when you're using. So here in Supliful, we're going to go ahead and click on install. And once you click on install, it starts loading you in. Okay. Now, once this is done, it's going to bring you to the register section where it's going to ask you to log in with your Supliful. All right. And once you log in with your Supliful, it will obviously cross-check and make sure to see if your store is properly connected. Now, once our store is connected over here, again, simply, you're going to make sure to verify your email as well. Verifying your email is the final process step, and I just verified my email right now. And once your email is verified, what you are going to be doing is you're simply going to go over to my products again. Trust me, your product is going to be saved, okay? It's not an issue. So once your product is saved over here, as you can see, here's the draft. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on edit product, and once we click on edit product, it opens the proper space for us to work with it. So over here, we have uploaded the label PDF. Here on start selling, we're going to add a payment method for ourselves. So the payment method that you can add could either be card. So we're going to add our card number. We're going to add the dates and the CVC. And once you have added all the necessary details, you're going to click on save, and that will start updating your products in your catalog. And from there, people are going to start seeing it on your Shopify store, and that is how Supliful's very own dropshipping software works. Now, that's mainly about it with Supliful. So if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. Also, do know that Supliful is a totally free application. Obviously, if you want to use its external features like its very own editor, you will need to pay a decent amount of money, but I don't really think we need that, because as you can see, I just created a great mockup simply by using Canva. So you can simply use the free softwares that it provides. But yeah, generally, this is the main idea of Supliful. So again, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me, and I will be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great and incredible day. Goodbye.